Good morning, children. So we were on exercise 1.3. We have completed till question 5. Today we will do from question number 6. Okay. Let us see question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Okay. So what is the original room temperature? Is 40 degrees. Room temperature is 40 degrees. Decrease of, what will be the decrease of temperature? 5. So it is decrease. So we have to do -5. Okay. So after 10 hours, temperature, right? Decrease in temperature after 10 hours. Decrease in temperature after 10 hours. That is equal to 10 multiplied by -5, that is equal to -50. So after 10 hours, there will be decrease of -50. So what will be the temperature? After 10 hours. Temperature after 10 hours means 40 degrees. Right? It is 40 degrees. And then what was the decrease? Original was 40 degrees. After 10 hours, there was decrease of -50 degrees. Right? So that is equal to 40 minus 50, that is equal to 10 degree C. So the temperature after 10 hours will be -10 degree C. From 40 it will reduce to -10 degree C. Okay, fine. So now that is 6th one. Now let us see the 7th one. You have to keep in mind, if it is decrease, then the number will be a negative number. If there is an increase, it will be a positive number. Right? Now see the 7th one. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and -2 are awarded for incorrect answers. Right? Okay, so now the first one. First you have to write that correct answers for +5 and wrong answers -2. Okay, for every correct answer he or she gets +5 and for every wrong answer -2 is deducted. Okay, so in that the first one, Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. Right? So Mohan gets 4 correct answers. 4 correct. So that is 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Right? And how many? And 6 incorrect. 6 incorrect. That is 6 multiplied by -2. That is equal to -12. So what is his score? 20 plus -12. That is equal to 20 minus 12. That is equal to 8 marks. Is that clear, children? Okay. So first you have to write down in general for correct and wrong answers or incorrect, and then one by one you have to see. Now let us see the second one about Reshma. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. Right? So second one, Reshma gets how many correct answers? 5. So 5 correct. So 5 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 25. And 5 incorrect answers. So 5 multiplied by minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. Okay. Now what is her score? 25 plus minus 10, that is equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15 marks. Okay children, understood? Okay. Similarly, third one. Let us see the third one. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. Okay. Okay, so Hina gets how many correct? 2 correct. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 10. 5 incorrect answers. 5 incorrect. So 5 multiplied by minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. And out of 7 questions she attempts. So 3 unattempted. So for unattempted it is 0. Fine. So what will be her score? 10 plus minus 10 plus 0, that is equal to 10 minus 10 plus 0, that is equal to 0. So Hina gets 0 marks. Is that clear children? Okay. So for your homework, you do the 6th and 7th question. In the next period, we will start with question number 8 and 9. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day.